Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into Rar and Zip archives on ASUS Zenfone 9. So in order to do this, you'll need to get the Rar app, and we've shown you how to get it in our other video. Now let's open it. From here, navigate to the folder that contains the files that you want to pack. Select each of the file, click on this plus button. Here you'll be able to change any archiving options, so pick a name, change the extension of your files, you can set up a password, and there's a lot of options which you can also enable or disable. So now let's just move to the general, change it to Rar. We don't want the password and we want that name, so let's click OK, and that way we'll create the Rar file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.